Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disable protected view in Microsoft Excel. This can be useful if you frequently work with files from external sources and want to streamline your workflow. Let's get started. Firstly, let me show you by downloading an Excel file attachment from email in which I want to work on. Here I have downloaded the Excel file attachment in my computer. Here it is downloaded in the Downloads folder. Open the downloaded Excel file in Excel. You'll notice it opens in protected view with a yellow warning bar at the top. The protected view slows down our work. So to disable protected view, click on File in the top left corner of the screen. Click on More to find options and click on it. In the Excel Options window, click on Trust Center. Then, on the right side, click on Trust Center Settings. In the Trust Center window, select Protected View from the options on the left. You'll see 3 checkboxes. Uncheck the first option if you want to disable the protected files originating from the internet. You can also uncheck remaining 2 options if you don't want any of the prompt related to protected view. Once you've unchecked the option, click OK to close the Trust Center window. Then, click OK again to close the Excel Options window. Now, let's test the changes. Close and then reopen the Excel file you downloaded earlier. It should now open without any restrictions, meaning protected view has been successfully disabled. And that's it. You've now disabled protected view in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.